Ready to kickstart or advance your career in the active leisure industry? Our Level 2 and Level 3 sports courses are designed for international students, providing the perfect blend of academic knowledge and hands-on professional experience. We offer a dynamic learning experience that combines rigorous classroom theory with essential practical work experience in local leisure facilities. You can choose from 5 flexible pathways to suit your goals. Specialise in sports coaching with options ranging from Level 2 up to the Level 3 extended diploma, or train for a career in health and fitness with the Level 3 diploma in gym instructing and personal training. Our proven programs help you achieve your goals with a remarkable 98% achievement rate every year. High grades in our Level 3 pathways can earn you up to 168 UCAS points, or the equivalent of a 4.0 American GPA. Entry requirements are focused on passion and communication. You need proficiency in written and verbal English and a genuine keen interest in sports. If you're ready to gain the hands-on skills and academic credentials needed to succeed globally in the sport and physical activity sector, contact our expert team today to start your application.